Welcome! If you want to access your CCTV system remotely on your phone or laptop, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to set up secure and reliable remote viewing. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your system first. Make sure your CCTV cameras and your DVR, NVR, or VMS recorder are connected properly and your recorder has a stable internet connection. A wired Ethernet connection is recommended to avoid lag or disconnection issues during remote access. Step 2. Check your router next. Check your router settings. Confirm whether it supports port forwarding or if your recorder uses P2P peer-to-peer cloud access. Most modern CCTV systems use P2P because it's easier and more secure than manual port forwarding. Step 3. Install the official app or software. Now install the official mobile app or desktop client for your CCTV brand such as Hikvision, Dahua, CP+, HiLook, Uniview, or others. Avoid third-party apps for security and compatibility reasons. Step 4. Create an account and add your device. Open the app and create a secure account with a strong password and, if available, two-factor authentication. Then link your recorder by scanning its QR code, entering the serial number, or using the Auto Network Scan feature. Step 5. Secure your system once connected, enable encrypted streaming, and immediately change any default passwords on your recorder. Use strong, unique passwords and update the admin account name if your system supports it. Step 6. Port forwarding, P2P, or VPN. If your system uses P2P cloud access, you're good to go. If you're using port forwarding, only open necessary ports and keep your passwords strong. For larger or multi-location setups, a VPN is the safest option because it protects your network without exposing ports to the internet. Step 7. Test live view and playback. Now test the remote access. Check live view on your phone and laptop and test playback by viewing previously recorded footage. If you experience lag, adjust your recorder's bitrate, frame rate, or check your internet upload speed. Step 8. Enable alerts and notifications. Set up motion alerts, AI detection alerts, or notification schedules depending on your system's features. Adjust sensitivity levels to avoid false alarms and make sure you receive instant alerts on your phone. Step 9. Test multiple devices and user permissions. Try logging in from multiple devices to confirm stable access. If other people need access like staff or family, create separate user accounts with limited permissions instead of sharing the admin login. Step 10. Troubleshooting and maintenance. If remote viewing fails, try rebooting the router, updating the recorder's firmware, clearing the app cache, or checking network settings. Regularly update firmware and change passwords every few months to keep the system secure. And that's it. With everything set up correctly, you can monitor your home or business from anywhere, watch live video, playback recordings, and receive instant security alerts. If you'd like, I can also create hiker titles, tags, and thumbnail prompts for this video.